Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Vijaya Manorama Tutorials. This is your educators G Vijaya Manorama. Okay, my aim is to help you 100% to reach your goal. So today I am going to discuss a very important topic, how to choose your stream. Okay, after the 10th. Already you have finished your 10th class as your board exams were cancelled, but you people have given your 100% of your effort. I appreciate for that. And first of all, I would like to congratulate your parents, those who ever helped you in this COVID situation also to fulfill your studies. Okay, in the way of इंटरनेट कनेक्शन, जिनके पास फोन नहीं थे उनको अपने पैसे सेव करके अपने किडी बैंक्स में से निकाल के फोन्स खरीद के दिए. बहुत सारे बच्चों के पास राइट फोन भी नहीं था. तो इन दिस सिचुएशन व्हेन यू पीपल हैव shown your complete effort, given your complete effort to learn, I appreciate for that. Okay, so now after finishing the 10th class, you have to choose a proper stream to fulfill your dreams, to fulfill your goals. For that, how should I choose my career? बहुत सारे बच्चे पूछ रहे थे कि how should I choose my career. So here is a small video to find out your interest, your aptitude, your personality, your practical applicability and opportunities. Whatever the stream you are choosing, these all 5 steps must be there so that you can become successful in your career. So one of the most crucial decision in any student's life, which career should I choose, as it determines the entire course of one's career and life. However, unfortunately, most of the students are taking decisions without making much awareness, leading to lesser performance in their careers. So here is a Panchatantra for ideal career. So the first one is interest. Interest is the most important aspect while choosing a career. You should identify what you are passionate about, what kind of activities excites you in your day-to-day life, and then make a career choice. It should be with self-confidence. Your job satisfaction must be. Consequently, this will enhance your self-confidence and job satisfaction too. You would be working with pleasure but not with pressure. So whichever the stream you are very much interested in your future, that you should choose so that you will be satisfied with your job in your future. Second one is aptitude. क्या है second mantra? Aptitude. It is the natural talent or an ability that individual has acquired or can easily acquire through their life experience, study or training. One of us are very good at speaking, while some are very good with numbers and some are very good with imaginations. Okay, so it is a very vital to know our aptitude on various areas such as verbal, numerical, reasoning, spatial, or choose a career which suits your aptitude. So there are so many fields where you can excel yourself. Third one is personality. Along with interest and aptitude, it is very crucial to understand our natural nature, personal traits and characteristics, so that our personality would be conducive to the work environment, lifestyle and situations that arise in a particular profession. For example, if you see a great liking interest to be a teacher, a student is there who want to become a teacher and have an excellent verbal skill, that is the aptitude, but he is extremely short tempered and do not enjoy with the people, that is its personality. Okay, so can he become a teacher? Will you imagine a teacher of bad tempered, always shouts on you? Maybe he is very excellent in all the ways. If a teacher shouts and can't spend time with the students and all, is his personality suits to become a teacher? No. You could become a great teacher as you have interested in aptitude and suitable personality also. If your personality is always, you can mingle with the children, you can spend time with them, you can teach with them, then only you can become a teacher. Okay. Next, come to the practical applicability. So there are certain practical aspects in everyone's life which should be considered while choosing a career to avoid un- untoward challenges further and be more realistic in career planning. Some of them are included with economical status, fees they can pay or not, number of years for employment, scholarships availability, location of the higher studies, his or her academic performance. These all practically you have to think about yourself. You sit alone and think what is your interest, in which areas you are good, in which areas you are good, and your personality. You think of your personality, which job suits you. Okay, according to that only you have to choose the stream. Next, come to the opportunities. Whatever the stream you are choosing, further what are the other opportunities based on that? That also you have to think. The last but another important aspect is to understand the employment or self-employment opportunities, the industries or the sectors which grow and which diminished over a period of time. Okay, so the demand of career tomorrow, in future, in which field there is a boon. These all things you have to think. You can gather the information by discussing with the people or from various domains, talking to counselors, and by reading articles in newspapers and internet. If you have any queries regarding choosing the stream or going to some other better opportunities, you can पर्सनली मैसेज मी इन टेलीग्राम. नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेरा लिंक भी है एंड नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आई हैव गिवन अ पीडीएफ वेर यू विल गेट विच एवर स्ट्रीम यू विल चूज, व्हाट आर द अदर अपॉर्चुनिटीज बेस्ड ऑन दैट स्ट्रीम. अगर आपने एमपीसी चूज किया है तो एमपीसी रिलेटेड व्हाट आर द अदर अपॉर्चुनिटीज रिगार्डिंग एमपीसी, व्हाट आर द अदर स्टेप्स यू कैन टेक if you have chosen BPC. Okay, so with that what are the other careers are there you can choose. If you have taken HEC or MEC or CEC, no, you don't want to do all these MEC BPCs, you just want to go for intervocational course. Here also lot of opportunities are there. Okay, so you just choose the stream in which area you are very much interested, your personality suits. Okay, remaining all things you can learn along with the running days. Okay, so once you make a decision on choosing a career for you, identify your long term and short term goals and draft an action plan and take it forward. As the preparation to launch a rocket is very high, but once launched the rocket knows no other direction than moving forward. So is to identifying the career, but once you firm up your goal, only way is moving forward with greater intensity. ये सब आपको अच्छी तरह से समझना है. What are the other opportunities are there? You discuss with your people. You can discuss with your parents, discuss with your friends. अगर कोई बोलेगा कि वो गुप्ता अंकल का बेटा ये स्ट्रीम चूज किया है, वो इतना बड़ा जॉब कर रहा है, so don't go for all such things. First you find out your interest, first you find out your personality, then you try to find out the opportunities related to that, so that definitely you are going to excel in your life. If you want any career counselings, if you want to find out any opportunities and all, you can just message me in the telegram. नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में that link is provided to you. Hope you liked this session. जितना ज्यादा हो सके अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करो. बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ. ओके, विश्वास वह शक्ति है जिससे उजड़ी हुई दुनिया में प्रकाश लाया जा सकता है. So just try to understand what I mean in this video and speak to your parents, friends. Okay, speak to your parents and your friends, and hope you are going to choose the proper stream and going to do excel in your future. And जब आप अच्छी जॉब में सेटल हो जाओगे, एक बार मुझे मैसेज कर देना, बहुत खुश हो जाऊंगी. ओके, थैंक यू, बाय बाय, टेक केयर.